Oh. Okay. So check this. Check this out. So for 4 hour, watch this. So 4 hour drop. It ain't really break nothing per se here. Didn't break nothing, so we go to hour. And then really didn't break nothing here either. So yeah, delete this. Higher high. Watch this. So you try to find the highs. Boom, boom. Sometimes it don't show. So it comes here before it makes a new. Uh, really never really made a new high. So you'll wait till it breaks here. In all honesty. Uh, sell comes here. You'll wait. You'll want price to at least break right here. In all honesty. In all honesty. GJ. So for the USD MX, I probably just be up on this. I'm not going to trade. I'm gonna just look at it time to time. GJ, I have entered GJ. I'm thinking about what's good, my boy. Thinking about entering GJ again because it's not breaking this point right here. Yeah, I came in here a little late. I was trying to find I fucked up my wrist today. I was trying to find me a little wristband, but I can't find it. But yeah, GJ is probably one of the smoothest pairs. I ain't never lose off GJ ever since I started this, man. But it's been sad. I ain't really make no money in a long time. But I feel like I'm about to pass soon. GJ, I entered right here at first. I was down about what $600 right here. Comes back, I'm at break even. I want to re-enter, but I don't want it to come down here and I'm down 1,600. So I really might just get another re-entry point because it's telling me, and then at least make it go to break even. But I got price coming up to here. But it's holding pretty good. The only thing I don't like about GJ, it can still come down to here. That yeah, you re-enter right here. I'm thinking about it. Probably enter like a 0.4. I ain't gonna enter nothing too crazy. I just think, like, all right, let's see. Like, let's go up to 4 hour. I'm really entering all 4 hours. So 4 hour break. The thing about the 4 hour is, let's delete. Let's just delete this. I'm taking a risk because it can come all the way back down here, and it could still come back up. But I don't think it would. But that's a risk I'm taking. But nah, because if it come down here, it's gonna be sales. That's why I got because daily wise, that's it. The only way I got the stop loss here because if it come lower than this, low key, it's basically over. It's basically sales at this point. That's why I got like. That's why I had my stop loss somewhere around here. I could buy because look, I feel more comfortable if I enter here. If it hit number two, I just go break even at that point. Like I just close everything out at break even because it hit equal highs. I still think it's no. I still think it's gonna hit here. That's why I'm confident it's gonna hit here. But even if it hit 2 and it comes back to break even, I feel more better about that. But if it hit 2, I can come back here. Maybe I'll win 2,000 and get back to like 101 because I'm at 98. Bro, I'm glad oh yeah. Yeah, bro, you seen gold, bro. You seen fucking gold. Gold look like a clean daily buy. Bro, I got out of that shit. Something told me to get out of it. I think I lost like 800. I lost $800. I lost 800. That's not bad though. I lost 2 on gold. I really haven't won a shit. I told you I lost this. I shouldn't have entered this one. I was being greedy. And this one, like I'm not mad at losing this one off gold because it's like it's a good trade. This one was just a dumb shit. This one right here was just dumb as hell. That's why I was mad off this one. But this one, I'm like, well, it's a good trade. I'm not tripping. I would have took this shit 10 out of 10 times. This one, I probably would have just like GJ. I feel stupid if I lose if I enter double, being greedy. But I don't know. I might just enter like a 0.3 or something because I'm at a 0.65. Gold. I want to get in gold again. I want to get in gold. Yeah, it kind of did. It alerted me because I was like, "This is my daily." Off the daily, I'll buy it long term because it look good. Like I still think it's gonna come down as long as it don't break like this. If it breaks here, it's flying. But as long as it don't break that 4,300 for me, I'm good. I think, bro, I could hold gold to at least really just higher. Start lows, I probably low key. I should have just entered gold off this low key. This is a nice one. I would have been in it for about 3 weeks, really like a month. But this would have just as soon as it tapped it, it alerted me. But I'm like, let it go back down. If it could come down and come back up, oh my gosh, I'm gonna just enter off the daily and then try to get something off the 4 hour. But this would be a nice daily buy right here. This is a nice daily buy off the gold. Nice daily buy. As long as it come down here and break back above, yeah, I enter gold. Nas, like I said, I was right for Nas in 30. Really 30 so far. I drew this up, but I just didn't like. I was gonna enter it again off 30. I just don't like selling too much. I don't really know what the war talking about or not. Just I just didn't want to trade 30. I'm gonna just say that and be all honesty. I just didn't want to trade 30. I was going to sell. No, I sold this one. Went break yeah, I went break even. Yeah, I don't know why the hell I went break even. I think I just exited because it came back up here and then it came right back. No, where I go break even at? I don't know. I somewhere. This one I didn't answer, but this is still a good trade. I wouldn't have exit right here. I promise you, I wouldn't have exit. This right here, I wouldn't have it. Well, I wouldn't even have entered because it ain't even New York time. I probably would have entered right here though. Like right. Uh, yeah, I would have entered right here, low key, because this is in New York session. Because this it broke down 2 o'clock. I wouldn't have been up. It's 9 o'clock. I brought 7. Didn't break. Comes back up. This is the high. Didn't really go, and I would have entered right here. But I don't want to trade 30. I 30 is just look like sales. Nas don't look like sales. That's the problem to me. And 30 been selling. Nas don't look like no type of sales. So what can I see for 30? Uh New lows. Comes here. Boom. Let it come back here. Uh right here. Boom. You can see pivot highs right up, right there. Boom, bam, bam. I still don't want to sell 30. I'ma just follow like let me see. 31 of them shits, if it could come like super low, I don't think it's gonna come this low, but the war might do it. Yeah, I'm not gonna sell 30. I'm just scared. I'm not scared, but it's like I just don't want to sell 30. Like I could just follow trend. I just really don't want to sell it. Like Nas is more of a Nas just been in this range and area for a long time. Like Nas been in this range and shit. I feel like it's gonna break hard either way, like hard. I feel like I can capitalize off this sell off Nas because if it does come down here, I feel like it could break hard for how much ranging. I feel like I could capitalize because like it's still a buy, but if it goes down and sell, it's gonna sell like so hard. This shit will sell so hard down. Like, let me see. Yeah, this will sell. I don't know. I'm really thinking about selling. Like, if it could come down here one more time, let me just throw an alert. If it just it can sell. I don't want it to though. And then the buy areas is it don't show no type of buys, in all honesty. Like this shit shows no type of buys. 30, I feel like Nas don't show no type of buys. It can be a buy. 30 just completely sells. I just don't want to. Nas, I feel like Nas just going if I do sell Nas, I feel like I'm gonna just get so much points out of Nas because it's like it's been ranging for so long. And if it break out of this range, it's gonna fly the fuck down. I feel like it's gonna just fly down like hard because 30 is kind of flying down. 30 is flying down hard. It broke out of this range and look how it's just flying down. Yeah, once it breaks like this, it's done. That's why I'm like, I can enter from here. Like, look, I got a little say it come back down here again. I want let's see. Let's go to 15 minutes. So boom, bam. Uh I got an entry from here. Let's delete this one. Delete. We're not gonna worry about this. So it's like 3 entries I could get. I'm not even capping. I can enter from here, from sales, here from sales. I wouldn't want to, in all honesty. Let me see. No. Yeah, I really wouldn't even want to. Let's delete these. Because that shit is previous. Oh my gosh. This look like some good sales, bro. Oh my gosh. This I could sell right here. As long as it doesn't break here. But I think it's gonna break, but let's see. Boom. Breaks, comes back down. Oh my gosh. This is about to be. But once I could enter like 2 times. God damn. I enter high here and I enter a low here. And then oh my gosh. I could probably get like 3 bands off this one. Because even if I enter high here, I wouldn't want to go any lower here. But at least come to here, I wouldn't even go break even. I just let it come to here before I go break even. And then low key, I just go break even right here. Like once it touched like right here, I go break even or both. Because it hit equal highs or it's just gonna break. It always hit equal like the market kind of simple. Like they always hit equal highs. Like look, like this ain't really a buy trend, but look, It comes above new highs, it hit equals, and then it just go back down. So as long as it hit equal highs, I just go break even, and then hopefully I could just let it melt, so I could just get like 3 bands off that. So I like Nas. I might enter Nas tomorrow, depending on how it looks. 30, I'm gonna just leave 30 alone. I didn't enter this, so let's delete it right now. I don't really like gold. Hopefully gold drop one more time under this gold bar. Off the daily is still a buy. Off the daily is still a buy. It's just retracing. That's all it's doing. Off the daily is still a buy. Yeah. Yeah, go ahead and buy that gold bar. I'm telling you. Boom. 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 So from 1 to 2, it's still a buy. For me, it is. Oh, you're gonna delete all this bullshit. It's just gonna take so damn long for this to happen. As long as it doesn't break 1, you're good. The trend is just as long as it doesn't break 1, we're good. Off the 4 hour, everything sells off lower time frame though. Everything is sell except daily. Daily is not a sell, but like 4 hours is a sell. 4 hours a sell off this low key. It's just daily is not a sell. I'm not even trying to be on no funny shit. I kind of knew gold was gonna come back to this area. I swear to God, I knew gold was. I just didn't know. Nah, I didn't like if it didn't break 2. I knew gold was gonna come back to this area. Like once it hit my stop loss, like it hit thing, I said, yeah, gold is gonna come back down here. Yeah, I just didn't know when. Like, nah, I ain't gonna lie. If gold was like broke 2, I would have been like, fuck that area. But low key, I was being low key greedy right here because I'm thinking it's not breaking, but it is clearly it just wanted to sell because it clearly wanted to sell because I entered. Yeah, this I don't even think this was a bad trade. I should have just never took it though. This one was smooth. Yeah, because this showed bearish momentum. I should have never took it. I should have never took this jump. Because this was bullish. You could have bought here, enter from here, boom. It never came back up from above here. So I shouldn't even never even bought low key. And it broke lows. So, but I'm thinking it's such a strong uptrend. I'm like, fuck it. That's my fault though. Like GJ is a good uptrend. Like 1 to 2, we know it's fully up off the hour. I ain't gonna lie, off the hour, it sells, but that's why I don't want to enter. Yeah, that's what I thought. I thought it was just you know how the market just be fucking around with people. That's what I thought of gold. I'm like, man, it's just playing around. It's gonna just dip. After here, I thought it was just gonna zoom up. That's why I entered twice. I'm like, man, I might just went off this trade. But I'm glad it came back down here. I could enter like maybe 3 trades. I could enter like a point. Let's see. How much trades I could enter? Enter somewhere right here. Shit, I might have to enter the lowest lie I can. So 0.1. Probably like a. What the fuck did I enter for this? Like a 0.3? And how much? Let me see. No, remove this. What did I enter? I entered like a 0.3, but how much points was there? Okay. Yeah, I can enter. Oh, that's not bad though. Why does shit look the same? Yeah, I can enter like another 0.3. Y'all lose like $700, but I probably wouldn't lose. This one I'm not losing because daily's showing. Like if it comes up and then breaks above, I lose like 7 if I enter a 0.3. But if I this is like 0.3, 700, 2,800. Well, really, this right here is like 2,000, and then I just enter more as it goes up. So this would be 2,800. Lose about 7. GJ, I wanna enter GJ so bad. Okay. Oh, let's see. I'm tripping. Oh my gosh, I want to enter GJ so bad. This is the over. It's like this is the high. I don't even think GJ should go that damn low. That's the problem. I don't even think GJ should like ever even comes back to 1. That's my problem. But GJ look good. I don't think GJ should even come back down all the way down here. It just wouldn't make sense to me. I might re-enter though. I might re-enter a 0.4, let it come to 2, and just go break even. Cause I was down. I was down today, but in my head, I'm like, it's not going down. It's not going down. Below here, yeah, it's melting. That's why I said, but at 1, if it comes below here, it's selling. Like it's selling bad. Because it can still sell off daily. Because if it come, that's why I said if it hit 2 equal highs, like, cause for real, what would I sell at if it was daily right here? Off 1 actually, I would sell off here, but that's why I said I won't even make my stop loss this long. But this will come here. It can still fucking go down and come here. That's why I'll be like, I'll go break even. If it come to break even, I just lose. I love gold. Gold might just bring me out the gutter if it could come back down. And not damn, I got 3 good setups, low key. I got Nas a good. Gold is the best one. GJ, I say like a B plus. Yeah, I don't really want to trade Nas too much, but I feel like Nas is just the most points opportunity I could get. Like if it comes here and I sell here, it's like I'm trying to predict. I don't even want to predict the market low key. Not really, because even if I sell here and it hit equal, I could just go break even. If it come back up, it comes back up. But if it melts, I could get about 3 bands off that. Gold looks so smooth. That's a buy right there. GJ, I could buy until break even. And yeah, that's it. I'm not trading 30. What is it? This peso shit. I'm just observing peso. Loki, this shit look good though. Like I'd be killing off this one. I'd have been 0-0-1 though. Cause what? Boom, I would have. No, I wouldn't even have entered this. Cause it's not even morning time. So I wouldn't have entered this. I would have just been in this one right here. I would have just been in this one. And this one, I would have been damn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days. But yeah, that's all I got for today, man. Hopefully, one of these I gotta enter. I might enter GJ like now. I ain't gonna lie. Uh, boom. What you trading? Let's see. What you trading? Nah, that shit has been slow. Ah, let it come above here. If it comes above here, I enter. It gotta come above here and stay there. I enter off that one. 30. Jim, yeah, what 30? I predicted selling. Unless you win a buy or a sell. I predicted selling like 3 days ago, but let's see. Yeah, because I would have sold off. I like GJ. I'm a if it could come above here, I re-enter. Let me see 5 minutes. Boom, bam, boom. It breaks 5 minutes. It breaks 5 minutes. Boom. You could re-enter. You could have entered here. Hit equal highs. Comes back down. Hits another one. You can damn. Even off a 5 minute, GJ is good because you could have entered here. God damn. You could have entered. I wouldn't do it though. You could have entered here. I just personally wouldn't do it. Hopefully it breaks. It gotta break here. Let me put an alert. And my fucking trading view shit. I can't even put that much alerts no more. I only got 3. I'm still saying 130. Google. Yeah, that Google shit probably high. I ain't check stocks in a minute. Yeah, GJ, I'm gonna enter if it breaks above here. Gold, I gotta come back down. Let me see the highs again. See 15. I don't like the 5. Let's see the hour. It gotta break above here. And if it breaks above here, oh my god, this shit. Oh yeah. Hell yeah, I'ma buy again. Hell yeah. Nah, I like GJ. Please let it break above here. But if it don't, I'm not gonna lie, I might just exit. I ain't gonna hold you. Like if it comes here and then just comes right back down to at least right here, I might just exit this bitch. So I could lose at least money. But if it breaks here and it comes back down, I'm not gonna exit. I'm gonna just re-enter. Because it's telling me it wants to go up. Go Nas. I'm gonna add into Nas or GJ. Gold, I feel like gold it's just not gonna come around this week. Maybe next week. Let's see gold. I ain't see stocks in a minute. Let's look at that metal. What that metal talking about? Meta never went above here, so you wouldn't even buy. Meta never went above here, so you wouldn't even buy. So let's see what Tesla's talking about. Tesla would have sold off here. Boom, boom. Really, I just wait till Tesla come to right here. Like I said, wait till Tesla come back to here. It's gonna come back here eventually. Hit equal highs. Comes back here, breaks above. You could buy off a longer, also long hold. Walmart been going crazy. Damn, Walmart been going. I got money in my sports shit. I just don't be betting like that. Let me see who I watched the game like 2 days ago. Let me see. I just don't be betting like that. Let me see. I don't even know who gonna win this year. Let's see. Damn, I don't know who the hell gonna win. I don't know who coming out the East. Maybe I don't know. I feel like some random team gonna come out the East. It's either gonna be the Celtics or just some random team. Uh, damn, it's like I don't know. The West, they got the West got everybody, bro. Yeah, I'm about to start doing it because I got some money up there. I just don't spend it. Damn, the West, I don't even know. The Rockets not winning. That's what we know. You got the Nuggets. You got the San Antonio, OKC, Lakers. Rockets ain't shit. Minnesota sleeper. The East, Yeah, I'm gonna try. I'm about to turn on the game right now. Matter of fact, after this, I'm about to go eat. Let me see who to play. Yeah, I'm gonna watch that Heat game. I'm gonna watch the Heat and the Lakers. I'm gonna turn that shit on right now. Yeah, I'm about to watch that joint right now. This joint about to start in like 2 minutes. I'm about to get off this joint. 2 minutes. I'll probably do a little reading later, but shit, man. I'm gonna be, damn today Thursday? I about to say I'll be on this joint tomorrow. This shit, man. All right, my boy. I gotta